Stop! Don't touch that box! Today, we are playing the most intense mystery box challenge ever. I have 5 boxes and one of them is gross. If I guess all 5 correctly, I win this giant golden surprise egg. But if I miss one, I have to get slimed. The rules are simple. I can't see what's inside. I have to use my hands to feel the texture. Are you guys ready? Let's start with box number 1. It's small, but it smells kinda weird. Here we go. Oh, it's wet. It's stringy. Wait, is it moving? I think these are worms. Squishy, cold worms. Wait, they aren't moving. They feel like noodles? No, they are too slimy to be noodles. I'm gonna guess. Cold spaghetti. Let's see if I'm right. Yes! 1 point for Maya. That felt so gross. I really thought they were real worms for a second. Clean hands break. Let's move to box number 2. This one is much bigger. Okay, blindfold back on. This box is vibrating. I'm scared, guys. What if it's a spider? Ouch. It's prickly. It's very, very prickly. It feels like a tiny hairbrush, but it's breathing. Is it a hedgehog? It's soft on the bottom, but spiky on the top. It's definitely a pet. I'm guessing. A baby hedgehog. Reveal time. Oh, it's a robot pet. It's so cute. I was almost right. Does that count as a point? Tell me in the comments. It's round and hard, but it's melting. Is it frozen grapes? Or maybe dinosaur eggs? Wait, there's something trapped inside the ice. I can feel a wing and a beak. It's an ice bird. I have to break the ice to save it. Box 4 is the one my brother set up. He's a prankster, so I'm really nervous about this one. It feels like giant marshmallows, but they are way too sticky. Is it honey? Oh no! I can't get my hand out. It's stuck. Everything in here is sticky like glue. This is it, the golden box. If I get this right, I win the golden egg. If not, slime time. It's heavy. It's metallic. It feels like a key. A giant, heavy key. I got it! 5 out of 5! I win! Let's open the golden surprise egg right now. Look at all these toys! We have cars, dolls, and, wait, a golden trophy! Thanks for watching the Mystery Box Challenge. Comment your favorite box below and subscribe for more fun. See you next time!